Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Joel, I'll be your guide. At this time, I'm going to ask everyone to please watch this in its entirety. Thank you. Now, let's get started. Or catch up. So right now, we're actually sketching out the design. You already know we're going to be making some peekers. And if you can't tell or don't know who it is, I don't know how you wouldn't, we're drawing Snorlax from Pokemon. One of my favorites, just a sleepy mofo. So we got the sketch all done, we moved past that, lowered the opacity, now we're going over it with the pen, tracing the lines I want to keep, getting rid of what we don't. Actually, I'm making them look a little simplistic, so this is going to be a quick one. Just like that, outline, done. Told you it was going to be a quick one. Let's move on. So favorite part right now, we're going to be coloring, we're going to fill this in. Once we got all the base colors in there, we're going to add the highlights and shadows, and then whatever other detail we need in there. So right now, just going around the perimeter. Once we touch tips, we're going to just fill it in. Can't forget his little teeth. Alright, so now we finally made it to the shadows. We're going to be following the same process, doing the outline and just filling it in. Once all the shadows are filled in, we're moving on to the color chart, looking for that slightly lighter color, and we're going to hit highlights. What do you think? I'm trying to hit that bubbly kind of look. Now all that's left to do is to make it into a peeker. Let's chop off that bottom, grab our eraser tool, and let's just go in. Here he is. Here's the little guy. Alright, so first half is done. Please join me for phase 2. We're going to actually be printing the sticker right now. So, let's move. So, all settings are set. We're going to hit OK, and we're going to start printing. And for now, I guess all we can do is wait. But for now, just sit back, relax, wait. Yeah. We'll be back. So after 8 minutes in real time, we're back. It's done printing. Only thing it's got left to do is to cut out the design. And now it is completely done. Look at him. Alright, let's grab our box cutter, cut this guy out. Took a couple tries, didn't want to force you to look at that. Just pretend it was smooth. Yeah. Alright, so now we're at the desk. We're going to go ahead and weave this out. We got our tool ready to go. We just got to hit the edge. And it should just peel right off. Like butter. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Boom. And here we have the transfer paper. We're just going to roll it right on. Done. This is just going to help transfer the sticker. That's all. So let's move on. Let's take this over to the cutter. And we're just going to chop away at it. Alright, looks like we're done. Here's the final product. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Personally, I like it, but I'm biased because I made it. So yeah, that doesn't count. But if you're iffy, here it is without the backing. I got you. So, thank you for taking this ride with me. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, leave a comment, it helps. Thank you for making it all the way through, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.